what go on with you? Me say a top one specialist, you know?
Yeah, I 2 training I do so far, Whisper. I may have one more come soon.
That must say, the report say you learn fast and you're accurate.
Whisper, I never know so I saw it nice. As I fire one shot, I feel powerful.
Just take it one step at a time. Remember, say once you have a gun, it's easy for you to get in trouble.
Yeah, I know. Then tell me. But then also I get the gun yet, right?
Yeah, no, but I just tell you, say, once you have it, it's easy for you to get in a problem. And once you brandish it, you have to use it.
Yeah, then tell me that too. Watch it. Straight to the pants.
Wait! You're a little bit too excited. Remember, saying a ranger there, you know? I really like this.
I know. But just tell you what going on with the range.
Alright. So, the first thing you learn, how to load it up, yeah?
Yeah, all that. When you load it up, but do it fast like lightning.
Alright, show me.
Yeah. Oh, that's all?
Yeah, right in the middle of the road.
Whisper, you're mad. We can't do it out there, so.
Are you mad? What if you ask me that? No one's inside where I go.
You're frightening me. Because I just going to ask you for the corporate work, Tony, and I eat that.
Oh. Yeah, well. Are you think come?
No, later before you come.
Alright. Come here, Shatta. Come
Whisper, welcome to my room.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
Alright. Ready? Oh, push up the door.
So, now you alone there?
Whisper, we still have to be careful.
Yeah, learn. Alright.
Alright, finally, let's see where you keep it going.
That's overrated, you know that. Alright. Here we go.
So what are they? So I never yet see what you're going to print out for you.
That's because that's how a sleeper move. You're not supposed to know some of it. You realize, say, you never yet see bossy one either.
Oh, I show you now. You never forgot to show me that. Nobody knows that me have my own for me when I get my own.
No worry, man. When you do your training, they're going to show you the places where you can keep it as a female, so nobody would know.
I can't wait, Whisper.
Alright, so you say you're ready? Let's see if you're ready. Roll them up back.
Watch this.
Wow! Impressive!
Tell us I'm fast like lightning.
Okay. Load it. Nice! Ready to go. Thank you.
No, your system ready for your gun.
So, you have any new assignment that come up?
Not really, no. Me and Bubbles just do some community work. So she want me and Annie's. She want me to teach Annie some dancing so we can perform together.
So, you go for top hill by yourself?
I don't think so.
I tell boss I don't trust the Yankee boy there, you know.
Yankee boy? Which Yankee boy?
No worry about it. You shouldn't tell her yet, she soon tell her. Just keep your eyes open at all times.
Alright, Whisper. I promise.
I'm proud of you, you know. Yeah, grow. Yeah, really cool, you know. But I like Xpressionz.
Anyway, you want something to drink?
So, where?
Alright, Dragon, you want?
You don't know me want already.
Alright, in our fridge, come over to my shop. Wow. Cold or hot?
Cool. You see sun plug in?